Alright, this is post-demolition, ripping all the siding off of the outside of the house and some overhangs and whatnot, but have not actually started building anything yet. I'll take a walk around the outside. This is the west side of the house we're coming around to. A lot of this will change. Coming around to the north side. Don't quite have all the siding off of this side yet because this side doesn't need the siding off for the next step, so we'll deal with that shit later. You come in immediately to stairs to the basement. This would be like a shelf for shoes, but right now it's a big old hole. And you step up into the kitchen. This wall is going to vanish, so it'll be wide open into the dining room, although maybe the cupboards will wrap around. Big living room. This will be an area for laundry machines, shelves and whatnot. And then that'll be the bathroom, which is a cluttered disaster at the moment. And upstairs, this here wall will get beamed off and removed, so I can have a bathroom in the master bedroom. And we'll build another bathroom up here that you can get into from the hallway. This door will go away completely. And then there'll be two other just regular bedrooms. And presumably we'll patch the hole in the wall. But it's got a nice view.